Hi, it's Ed here from Reacton. I'm joined by Brad from Kidde, Australia. Just sort of catching up about various different topics and stuff. So just going to say, how's the show been for you, Brad?
Yeah, look, thanks, Ed. It's been a good show this year. I think the quality of the stands, the quality of the people that we're speaking with is just outstanding. This is the third time I've been here, and it just continues to grow and get bigger and bigger.
Yep, and I think I agree with you. It's been, I can't believe how busy it's been. It's we've definitely run out of hands on the stands, run out of staplers, run out of business cards. So it's a good show.
Yeah, absolutely.
So obviously we've been engaged for a while now. So kind of, how have you found working with Reacton over the last couple of years?
Yeah, sure. So I think my first interaction with Reacton was actually in 2020 at this very show in a booth not dissimilar to this one. And I think what drew me to it then is the same thing that keeps Kidde Australia coming back and engaging with Reacton now. It's the team's commitment to quality and innovation. The quality that comes out in the product, anybody that deals with the product can see that. It's consistent, it's reliable. Working with the team at Reacton is just simply outstanding. You know, the support that we get from you and Sam, the other Ed, fantastic. Absolutely fantastic.
We always have to mention the other Ed.
We do. Can't get by without mentioning the Eds.
No, we can't. No, it's been fantastic. I think it's one of the things that drives great businesses is working with very, very closely with customers and understanding the pains and challenges they've had with different manufacturers of products throughout the years. Obviously, the other thing that not a lot of people talk about with vehicles is how much vehicles have changed. And actually you're now seeing quite a difference in spec between different vehicles depending on the country they are. You've got the battery thing coming around the corner, whether it's battery or hydrogen. So I think it'll be good, and I think for me personally, that it's nice to see that's reflected with customers with the quality side, with all the changes we're making behind the scenes, because it's extremely being distributing the product in the UK, I know what happens if the quality's not right. So.
Yeah, absolutely. Look, quality is there, but I think being on the cutting edge of innovation in the manufacturing process as well really sets that business apart. Reacton really leads the way as far as we can see with that, and it's pleasing to see that investment going back into the business as well. It gives us in Australia reassurance that the product continues to evolve with those changes that you're talking about in the EV market especially. There's a long way to go there, but I think we're positioned well to have solutions for that in the future.
And that's what you're finding in the market currently?
Yeah, absolutely. Look, I think the EV market, or anything to do with lithium batteries, is the talking point in the industry at the moment. And people are scrambling to deal with that, build standards around that, have products that deal with those challenges. It's in its infancy now. Technology, as far as the battery technology, has moved very, very quickly. People have taken it up at a great rate of knots, and fire standards are yet to catch up. But we're getting there, and the right discussions are happening.
Good. And if there's kind of one thing you'd want to say to the team that are not here today for Reacton, what would it be?
Oh, that's
tricky.
You did catch me out there. But I think I'd like to say well done to the team for the people that aren't here and do put in the effort behind the scenes. They're often the unspoken heroes. They keep up with supply. They work long hours, they work hard to deliver, and whether they realise it or not, the customer experience as a result of their efforts is fantastic.
And it's something I make sure we champion with the guys. It's working long hours at the moment, getting product out the door, all the supply chain challenges, me walking in and telling them we're doing something completely different tomorrow. And then walking off to Dubai. So those are the kind of things that they do.
That's exactly right.
It's been, from our side, it's been a fantastic relationship, such a great knowledge transfer. And just really looking forward to the future, and fantastic company, fantastic brand, and fantastic people. So for me, all I can say is thanks from the Reacton team.
Yeah, no, well done. Great job.
And I think they're going to end the live feed now, but they're talking, so we'll keep talking like professional people do.
Well, hopefully they edit the end out before it goes on social media.